It's raining. Let's make lugaw. Yeah, we got some chopped onions and ginger. Ininitin na natin ang ating kawali, mantika. Habang umiinit yan, let's grab some old rice, cooked rice. Then we put the minced onion. Lutuin lang natin saglit. Then we add the ginger. Halo. Don't forget to season it with peppers. And then we grab some leftover soup for our base. Then patunan natin ang ating kanin. Quick and easy lugaw, baby. Durug-durugin natin yung kanin natin. Bacon naman, nor seasoning chicken. Okay, 1 scoop. Yan. And then kunin natin yung ating leftover chicken for our meat. And some fish balls. Squid balls. And then gumawa si Mama Bear ng manong sauce. Napakasarap ng manong sauce. Final seasoning, patis. At ayan na po mga kaibigan, ang ating hybrid lugaw. Dahil sa malamig ang panahon. Don't forget your boiled egg. That's it, pansit. Subscribe!